Here we have a Galaxy Z Fold 3 with S Pen support. This has been imagined via Concept, and actually Concept Creator is involved. Shout out Concept Creator. We've worked together in the past on videos. With the upcoming announcement for the S stuff from Samsung right around the corner here, we got some stuff planned for that. I think we got the go-ahead on the live stream.
We might, yeah.
We might. Okay, we don't have the go-ahead. We're close. We're close. He says we might. Willie doesn't want me to talk about this yet. All right, fine.
Yeah.
I'll just shut up. Don't worry. Show's yours, Will.
Yeah.
Anyway, so a big thing that they're going to be talking about is S Pen support across a wider variety of Galaxy products. And I presume they perceive it as a differentiating characteristic of their devices that you can do pen input across them. And this here would extend that to the Fold lineup, which a lot of people, since the Fold came out, had been imagining, talking to me, tweeting at me, that a pen input here would actually be the most useful because you have an almost tablet scale to it when it's opened up, similar to how you use a pen with their with their tablets. They have shipped pens with tablets in the past, or Apple tries to sell you the pencil with their tablets, with their iPads. It's just when you're in a more kind of work setting, when you're sitting down and you're holding on to a bigger display, there seems to be a little bit more incentive to get there and tap it with a pen, at least for me and other users. So anyway, the rumor here is that the S Pen will reach the Z Fold, next version, Z Fold 3. The screen of the device would have to shrink ever so slightly from 7.59 inches to 7.55 inches to accommodate a housing, a little channel for the S Pen to sit in, which, as we talked about for the S21 Ultra, we've seen a leak for cases that are going to allow you to keep the S Pen on you because there won't be any physical silo on the device itself. That would be different here. However, you would end up with a slightly asymmetric design. Slightly bigger bezel over on one side might be worth it for pen input on a device of this scale. Now, the curious part for me, I get it on every level that this would be interesting. The curious part for me is, having spent so much time with the original Galaxy Fold and now the Z Fold 2, the surface material tends to be softer than the glass that you're used to on a smartphone, tablet, or iPad right now. So I'm a little concerned that the pen input, that the screen might be a little sensitive to it. That it might leave some kind of residue or marks or something, because it is just a soft material which accommodates that bend in the Z Fold lineup. But who knows? I'm sure they can figure it out. Maybe they put a different tip on the pen that's specific for the Z Fold 3, or maybe they finally got closer to that hybrid material that's been talked about that has the ability to fold but actually is a little bit smoother, harder surface texture. Maybe they've innovated in that area right there. But either way, cool little concept.